Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Nova 13 Pro. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on a search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click install. And then click open. And then you can select this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now, as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.